In this video, I'll show you how to fix Function button on laptop. First, right-click on the Windows key. Select Device Manager. Expand Keyboards. Right-click your keyboard. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the keyboard driver from the list. Click Next. Wait for Windows to install the driver. If the function keys are still not working, press the Windows key. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Type SFC/scan now. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. Windows will automatically repair any corrupted system files it finds. Restart your computer. After the restart, test the function keys again. That's it. This is how you can fix function keys not working on laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.